Today we'll talk about checking whether a character is lowercase or uppercase. So before we begin, I wanna give you a brief intro of Ascii. So in computers, everything is stored in Ascii. So every single character that you see, for example, A, it is stored into Ascii. At its back end, it is doing the Ascii encoding. So everything is stored in Ascii. So you can think of Ascii as counting. Every character is represented as an ASCII value. For example, if you see A at its back end, 65 will be stored since that's what its ASCII value is. So as you can see, make sure to check the ASCII table in detail. All these characters have a certain ASCII value. So as you can see, all the numbers from 0 to 9 are represented from 48 to 57. This is the range of all numbers in ASCII. Similarly, of all the uppercase character, the ASCII range is 65 to 90. As you can see here, 65 to 90 right here. So this is the ASCII range. So every character is represented as an ASCII number. So similarly for lowercase, your range is from 97 to 122 right here, you can see. So this is the range of every ASCII character. So first we need char data type, then we need to take a single letter from the user which you are already familiar with. Then we are checking this, try to understand the if statement. First we are giving in condition that character must be greater than equal to a. So every value greater than equal to a. So right here we are telling our computer that every ASCII value greater than or equal to 65. Then we are using the AND operator, and then we are telling that every character value less than equal to z. So we are saying that our character is in the range of a to z. If there is any character between these a to z, that is 65 to 90, then print this case. So a to z, um, we are also considering a and z as well. So these numbers are also included. A and z are also included. Similarly, in the next case, we are doing that ch is greater than equal to a, but in this case we are considering the lowercase. Remember, lowercase and uppercase are handled differently in programming. And similarly, we're doing the same with z, that it must be less than equal to z. So if both of these conditions, let's check the first case. If both of these conditions are true, then this case will be executed. So what if the our character is not in this range, and it is also not in this range? Then we want to print out the invalid input, that it is not a character. So we can also write that it is not a character. Or the better approach is to write alphabet, since every single digit or symbol can also be a character in a way. So let's try running it. So let's enter F first. As you can see, it is now telling us that it's an uppercase character since it's in this range. So now let's enter a lowercase character like Z. So now it is telling us that it is a lowercase character. So let's try the invalid input. Let's try entering a symbol like hash. Now it is telling us that invalid input, it is not a alphabet, an alphabet. I should replace it with n. So an alphabet. So that's done with. I want to show you an alternative way of finding these. So on the back end, we are telling it that our character is from 65 to 90 in this range. So we can write it directly. But first, to get the ASCII value of character, you need to do this. You need to create an integer. You can name it any variable, like int value. Then you have to write ch, the character variable, then it will automatically convert the ASCII value of ch into this variable. So whatever, suppose user has entered capital A, uppercase A, then 65 will be stored into this variable. Or you can do this, or you can typecast the variable here. Int ch is greater than equal to 65. Similarly, do the same here. Int ch is less than equal to 90. So this, now we are working directly with the ASCII thing. So now it has converted this int casting has converted our character into its ASCII value. It is now 65 to 90. So whatever our variable, our character will be, it will be evaluated as an ASCII. For example, if the user enters uh, z, so here ch will become 95, and same here. We can do the same thing here, but now we have to write the ASCII values of lowercase character, that is 97 to 122. Make sure to cast both of these. So now let's try running it. Let's enter G. As you can see, it is telling us that it's an uppercase letter. So ASCII of G, as you can see here, is 71. So when our program comes here, it checks that uh, our ASCII value, that is 71, is in this range. Therefore, it prints this value. And one more thing I want to show you, that instead of casting it here, since we have already stored the value into ASCII value into this variable, we can use the variable value. So it will also work fine. So there are many ways to accomplish your task. As always, I have shown you all of these. So make sure to check the best one, or according to your need. So as you can see, now it is still working since we have converted the ASCII value and stored it into this variable called value. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.